Hi everyone, I just wanted to put a little video together of what it's like to rope drop Indiana Jones at Disneyland on August 4th. So it's 7:37. Adventureland is over there. And we're inside the park obviously. There's already all these people. 7:37, you said? There's already all these people trying to do rope drop. And we are going to do Indiana Jones first just to see how long it takes doing rope drop for Indiana Jones. All right, it's 5 minutes in rope, 5 minutes to 8 in rope drop, and the line is changed considerably. You can see, like, as far as you can see, there's people back there. All over here. So, I guess the moral of the story is the earlier you get in the line. But we were also discussing the fact that you're still waiting in this line for like 20-25 minutes anyways, so I don't know. Okay, here we go. Here's the mad rush to that rope drop. Okay, is it open? Oh no, it doesn't look like it's open. It's closed, so pirates.
Indiana Jones is not open with the park at this time.
Oh no. Well, so much for our rope drop experiment. Well, we weren't able to record how long it was going to take us in line from rope drop, but we were able to come back to Indiana Jones later on with our Lightning Lane booking. And so I might as well just throw a little bit of that coverage in for you. We also asked if there was any single rider passes, but they did not have any at that time either, because I did also want to time how long that would take.
This is very important. Your safety must remain seated in your seatbelt.
Which way to Indiana Jones? We decided to go on Indiana Jones.
Inside the vertical. Watch your journey.
And it's taken us about 10 minutes to get to the top of the stairs using Lightning Lane.
And successful.
It's 10:11. We're gonna get on. All right, getting off, and it is 10:20. So all in all, it took us about 20 minutes to go through Lightning Lane and complete the ride.